Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. A very warm welcome to the heart of the home, our kitchen. I have shared this space with our viewers many times through kitchen organization, motivation, cleaning videos, decor videos, and every time received so much love and appreciation from you all. Thanks for the appreciation and love. You guys are amazing. This time also I have planned a few creative DIY ideas to add charm in our kitchen. These small makeovers will add colors and warmth to the most ignored but highly dependent space of our home, of course our kitchen. Makeover videos are painstaking but I love them the most. The space area feels so much fresh and amazing. Also, this video is in association with Berger paints. So, let's get started. With a pretty small counter space here, it really becomes difficult to keep the counter clutter-free. This fruit basket holding onions and potatoes is occupying counter space. So to free the same, we need to utilize the wall space in such a way that along with being useful, it looks nice too. Let's see how to complete the mission. I got these two metal baskets online. I will share the link for your reference. One is going to hold onions and another is going to hold potatoes. I don't want the peel or the dirt to create a mess in the kitchen every day. To avoid, let's make some DIY covers for these two baskets. I bought this nice fabric to cover them. Taking measurement is the first and most important step. Cut them according to the measurements and now you can either sew them on your own or give it to the tailor. They are ready. Here you can see two pretty covers for these baskets. These beautiful covers will make the basket look pretty and quite useful as well. I can take them out and wash them when they get dirty. I am adding a lace here to add little more detailing and add to the beauty. Now do let me know how they are looking. Do you like them? I always wanted to add a window valance in this kitchen window. So before removing the blind, I thought to give the valance a try. Here we are going to do some DIY window treatment. We need a shower curtain rod to avoid drilling, a fabric of your choice. I'm using the same fabric which I used for the basket cover. I also bought these laces to add a little more detailing on the valance. We can take measurements in two ways. If you want a straight valance look without any volume, you can add just 1 or 2 inches in the actual measurement of the window. And if you like that gathered ruffled look, take at least 6 to 10 inches more than actual length. If the kitchen is the heart of the home, then windows are the eyes of the home. Windows provide our homes with natural light, warmth and beauty. So they do need a special treatment. Blinds are very functional and low maintenance options. But for me, always curtains are the true eyelids every window demands. Different colors, prints, their flowy nature add so much warmth to any space and lifts the beauty instantaneously. Here is our pretty valances up, and can I say I'm in love with the look. इस लेस डिटेलिंग ने तो 4 चांद लगा दिया, है ना? This is our kitchen's utility area, or you can say cloth drying balcony. The tiniest utility I have ever seen. Under the counter, we store 2 gas cylinders, buckets, jharu, etc. I bought another fabric to cover all this glamorous stuff under here. I took all the necessary measurements and gave it to our tailor. She did an amazing job. This one also has a fish print and the color is also blue to maintain a color flow in the kitchen. It looks so elegant and pleasing now. I want to give this area a complete new look with a few DIY projects. This kitchen cabinet is very old and due to leakage from the water storage jar, the MDF board was ruined completely. So till we finalized the replacement, we needed a setup to take care of the existing storage, and also it seems that the wall space demands a facelift too. There are 3 important steps for any makeover project. 1. To decide the purpose. 2. Planning. And 3. Aesthetics. The purpose of this space is to keep a few daily used kitchen items. As the plan goes, the first step is to take measurements and find the right products to meet the purpose. I will be using some dual decor pieces and try to make it aesthetically pleasing. This is my initial design I created on Canva. Once you figure it out on a paper or tools like Canva, it is easy to visualize the final outcome. We got these 2 wood planks from IKEA for this wall space. If you are already following our makeover videos, you know that so far I have experimented with different kinds of paints like acrylic, enamel, chalk paints, etc. But this time it's different. We want to do some wood staining. Let's start. You can also use any old discarded window or wooden door to create a beautiful DIY project in your home, or I will share a few online sources to procure wooden planks for this DIY work. To stain these wood planks, I am using Berger Imperia Breathe Easy water-based PU impregnator coating. These are the best features of PU coating. Low VOC, environment friendly, and it serves as water-based PU coating for interior as well as exterior. It is antimicrobial and prevents algal or fungal growth. If you are using old wood, you need to do some prep work like smoothen the surface, remove the shine, etc. I am going to clean the planks to remove dust and grease if there is any. As this wood is raw without any dent or shine, it's ready to use. I am going to apply this Berger Imperia Breathe Easy Pine Finish Impregnator or stain directly with the help of a brush. You can also use a clean cloth. Trying something new is always accompanied with learning and excitement. I too am excited to see the outcome. Once it's done, use Berger Imperia Breathe Easy Clear Stain Gloss as top coat with the help of a paintbrush or a foam brush. It needs at least 3 to 4 coats for a lovely finish. Leave each coat to dry for 5 to 6 hours. Each coat except the final finish coat is sanded with 320 grit sandpaper. Now see the magic. These real wood veins and the shine. It's simply superb. I will share the Berger Imperia Breathe Easy product links and related details in the description box for your reference. Now it's time to create some personalized wall decor with these wooden planks. We are done with the wall makeover. Don't forget to like and comment if you love this wall makeover. This cabinet was holding kitchen napkins, a few kitchen essentials, grocery bags, this electric pressure cooker and our microwave. We have plans to keep the microwave inside any kitchen cabinet. For now, we have shifted the microwave in our utility area as a temporary measure. As I told you, I need to store daily used kitchen items handy, so I found this galvanized shelf on IKEA, which cost me around 1200 rupees. The assembly was not too tough. It was quite easy, and this galvanized shelf is complementing the silver tone of the cabinet handles nicely. Now it is time to arrange everything in place. Styling an open shelf is always fun. If you need more storage space, dresser drawers or chest of drawers are amazing solution to create extra storage space in a small kitchen. We are wrapping up this kitchen makeover with this DIY hanging lamp. We need 2 embroidery hoops, a cane waving roll, any kind of rope or metal wire to hang the lampshade, either this type of cord or any wire to fix the light bulb. Our first step would be to cut the cane weaving according to the size of the hoop. I have used black acrylic paint here. Our kitchen is probably the place where we spend a lot of time but is always overlooked. So this time I have tried my best to create a beautiful functional kitchen. Now it's your turn. Do give this video a big thumbs up and let me know what you feel about this small kitchen makeover. Do share this video and don't forget to subscribe to Home #Life. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.